Green bean bredie. Lamb and green bean stew. A main dish from South Africa. You will
Serves
need 12
2.
ingredients. Step 1. In a large skillet, heat the oil over moderate heat. Add the lamb and brown it in batches. Transfer pieces to a plate. Step 2. Add the onions, garlic, and ginger, and cook over low heat. Return the meat to the skillet. Cover tightly, and simmer for 30 minutes over the lowest heat. Step 3. Stir in the water, green beans, potatoes, chili peppers, thyme, salt, and pepper, and bring to a boil. Cover again, reduce heat, and simmer for about 1 hour, stirring occasionally. Step 4. Taste for seasoning and serve immediately with rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.